Hey guys, John and Terrence here from Vapor Hunting Technologies today. We're getting a lot of questions on the comparison of the finish, the comparison of the speed for the micro hone versus some of the bigger models that we sell. So today we're going to show you a comparison video between the micro hone and the VH800PFL, which is the closed loop model in the 800 series. And we have two identical pieces. These are carburetor bowls that we're going to show you. They came off of the same set of carburetors, so in the same looking condition that you're going to see here. And we're going to show you the speed and the finishing capabilities of both machines and show you that they are comparable, but there is definitely a speed trade-off. However, if you're in the market for a budget machine, the micro hone is your option. Both machines are at 100 psi, so identical pressures. Same ratios, 20% abrasive to water, same media, glass beads. So here we go. Ready? I'll turn it. Good. Okay, so we're finished here. Probably a minute and a half maybe. I'll have to check the camera time. You guys will get to see that. But so we did get the same finish. Actually, mine's a little better, believe it or not, because my media is brand new and his glass bead has probably been used for about 50 hours. But it does show you that there is a slight speed difference. I mean, without a doubt, obviously, you can't compare the two machines for speed purposes, but they do give you the same finishes, and I'm going to give you a close-up of this part so that you can see for yourself that my part actually looks better. So I should actually take some media out of his machine to run in the micro hone, and you would get the same identical result. But, I mean, really, you can't beat it for on a budget, in all honesty. And of course, you can't beat the 800 PFL if you can build that into your budget or you're doing higher volume. So, do you have anything else to add to it?
I'm good. Let's compare.
Yeah, it was fun. A lot of fun. And we've got another part coming up for you guys. We'll just give you a close-up. Cool deal. Thanks for watching.